The cool breeze is blowing, and while the first event of the morning session, women's 10,000 meter, the national record for the women's 10,000 meter is a stand in the name of Aprija Sridharan. She clocked the timing of 31 minutes 50.47 second. Number 804, Yashi Sachan from Uttar Pradesh is the initial leader for the women's 10,000 meter. The long way to go. It's a 25 laps.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना
Yashi Sachan, number 804, 2002 born from Uttar Pradesh, is the present leader for the women's 10,000 meter. It's a 24 laps to go, and the first lap split time is 1 minute 28 seconds.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी
Some of the top athletes from the Sangrur, among them is Sunita Rani. She is an Olympian and Asian Games gold medalist in 1500 meter and 5000 meter. Maha Singh also from the Sangrur has represented and won the gold in Commonwealth Games. Prabjot Singh also from the Sangrur has won the South Asian Federation Games. Sagardeep Kaur represented India in Olympics, and Hardeep Kumar in 400 meter hurdles represented India. He was hailing from the Sangrur in Junior World Championship. Here number 753, D. Latha from Tamil Nadu is leading the women's 10,000 meter, and it's a 23 laps to go. D. Latha is followed by Yashi, and Yashi is at number 3 is KM Mamta. She is representing Police Post Control Board. So there will be frequent changes of leader. Still, it's 23 laps to go for women's 10,000 meter. The event comes under the long distance runnings. It's a test of your endurance, that is earlier known as a stamina. So this is a test of your endurance. So they are the human locomotives. They train for 1,000 and thousands of kilometers under their leg. Their resting heart rate goes down, and some of the top class athletes, the world class athletes, their resting heart rate is under 40, because that lesser heart rate is the result of your cardiac hypertrophy, where your stroke volumes improves, your cardiac outputs improves. Number 753, D. Latha of Tamil Nadu, followed by Yashi Sachan at number 2, and at 3 is KM Mamta of Police Post Control Board. It's a pack of 7, where Sunena, So it's a pack of 7, where Sonia from Uttarakhand, Prachi Pariyar number 464 from Madhya Pradesh, Sushila Prajapat 683 from Rajasthan, KM Mamta 568 from Police Sports Control Board. So it's a present leader for the women's 10,000 meter, just entering into the 4th lap, and it's a 21 laps to go, and the timing at the clock is 5 minutes past 56 seconds. Again, the Yashi Sachin has taken the charge as he's representing Uttar Pradesh. At number 2 is D Latha. So it's a 21 laps to go, and time is 6 minutes past 18 seconds. Number 204. This is Shalu from Delhi, but the top 7, it's a 200 meter mark. The new leader is emerging and setting some quicker and faster pace. At 10,000 meters, the true test of your endurance, where the Teja Sridharan of India has proved her mettle and clocked the timing of 31 minutes 50.47 seconds. Yashi Sachin, she is representing Uttar Pradesh, and a 2002 born, just at 23 years of age, and it's a 20 laps to go, entering into the 5th lap, and it's a 20 laps to go, and the timing is 7 minutes past 26 seconds. Number 464, Prachi Pariyar of Madhya Pradesh.
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन मेरे वतन, आबाद रहे तू, मेरे वतन आबाद रहे तू,
Yashi Sachin, she is representing for women's 10,000 meters, and her personal best for 10,000 meter is 36 minute 21 point. Her personal best for 10,000 meter is 36 minute 21.40 seconds. She clocked this timing in 2025, and her personal best for 5,000 meter is 17 minutes 22.43 seconds. The Yashi Sachin, the present leader for the women's 10,000 meter. This is the first event in the morning session here at the War Hero Stadium. Yashi Sachin, she studied at the Chhatrapati Sahuji Maharaj University, and earlier in the All India Inter-University Cross Country Championship, she stood fourth, and on the basis of that she qualified for the World University Cross Country Championship. Yashi Sachin, and it's 18 laps to go for the women's 10,000 meter.
मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं, तुमको मैं दिखाऊं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं। माँ ही मेरा रब है, मेरी माँ ही मेरा पीर, मेरी माँ के पैरों के अलावा कोई दरगाह नहीं। नाचूंगा नाचूंगा मुझको फितूर है, नाचूंगा नाचूंगा दिल मजबूर है। आज की शाम मेरी माँ के है नाम, मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है। मैं जीतूं या हारूं मुझे नाचना जरूर है, मेरी माँ मुझे
Yashi Sachin, she's leading the pack of women's 10,000 meter, and the race is 3 athletes are intact in one group, where Yashi Sachin, D. Latha, and number 464 Prachi Padiyar of Madhya Pradesh. It's a still close contest between Prachi, K. D. Latha and Yashi Sachin. So Yashi Sachin, she is a participant in the World University Cross Country Championship, representing Uttar Pradesh. This is the second day of the Indian Open Athletics meet. Yashi Sachin, present leader for the women's 10,000 meter. And the Indian all-time top 10 list is headed by Prija Sridharan. She clocked the timing of 31:50.47 seconds. In all-time top list at number 2 is Kavita Raut. At number 3 is Parul Chaudhary. Yashi Sachin showing the no sign of any fatigue or pain, and going stronger and stronger lap by lap, has decided not to give up. So it's a women's 10,000 meter and 16 laps to go. The time for the 9 lap is 13 minutes past 52 seconds. This is the final of women's 10,000 meter. Number 804 Yashi Sachin of Uttar Pradesh. In all-time top list at number 3 is Parul Chaudhary. At 4 is Seema. 5 is Sanjeevani Jadhav. She clocked 32 minutes 21.76 seconds. In all-time top list at 6 is Suryal Longanathan. At 7 is Ankita Dhyani. 8 is Swati Gadhwahe. At 9 is OP Jaisha, and at 10 is Kavita Yadav. So these are the all time top 10 list, but the present leader for the women's 10,000 meter is Yashi Sachin. Now, women's 10,000 meter, the first event of the morning session here at the Indian Open Athletics Meet at Sangrur. This is the second day on 28th of July 2025. Women's 10,000 meter is in action, where Yessi Sechan, she represented the Indian University to the World University, followed by number 454. Followed by number 464, Prachi Padiyar. Women's 10,000 meter, it's 13 left to go. Present leader is Yessi Sechan, followed by number 462, Prachi Padiyar. She is representing Madhya Pradesh. It's a bunch of Prachi, Yessi Sechan.
हम इंडिया है, हम नफरत पे नहीं, प्यार पे पलते हैं।
So between these three, Yessi Sechan, the present leader, followed by D. Latha from Tamil Nadu and Sonia from Uttarakhand. The tussle, the up and downs, mental war is going between Yessi Sechan, D. Latha and Sonia. 12 laps to go for the women's 10,000 meter, and national record for women's 10,000 meter is in the name of Prija Sridharan, created in 2010, and she clocked 31 minutes past 50 seconds. Here the number 753, D. Latha, and number 290, Kavitha is from Haryana, is trailing at the women's 10,000 meter, but it's a Yessi Sechan.
ऐ माँ, भरोसा रखना अपनी संतानों पर, हम तिरंगा गाड़ देंगे आसमानों पर। दुश्मनों सुन लो, हमें झुकना नहीं आता, तुम्हारी गोलियां कम हैं, हमारी छातियां ज्यादा। हमारे नाम पर ढोलक बजेगी दो जहानों में, मरेंगे यूं कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे दास्तानों में। हिंदुस्तान को नाज होगा हम दीवानों पर, हम तिरंगा गाड़ देंगे आसमानों पर।
Composing what's going in their mind is the key factor. It's it's a full of
जिस्मों पे वर्दी न कांधे
They are
सितारे
bathing in
ना
sweat.
झुकेंगे, झुकेंगे जिक्र पे
Humidity is very
हमारे,
high
परछाई
here at the Sangrur.
सारेगी जब बात होगी आगे
First event of the morning
मिलेंगे
session
कतारों
number
में हम, तो क्या
464
ज़मीं पे रहे
Prachi
ना
Pariyar,
रहे, मुस्कुराएंगे
804
तारों में
Yassi Sachin and 902 Sonia. So it's a between Sonia,
हंसता रहे हम जिसे
Yassi Sachin,
दोस्ता कहते हैं, दुनिया में हम ही अकेले हैं जो माटी को माँ कहते हैं, माटी को माँ कहते हैं,
and Prachi Padiyar.
माटी को माँ कहते हैं।
These are the three athletes
माटी
still
को माँ कहते हैं,
leaders.
माटी को माँ कहते हैं, हम माटी को माँ कहते हैं।
We'll be giving some free hands because the arms get tired when you are just making forth and back for 10,000 meters. Women's 10,000 meter is in action. The past national games winners in women's 10,000 meter in 1987, the first national games winner was Nanda Jadhav from Maharashtra. She clocked 36 minutes 24 seconds. In 1994 is Bhagyashree Bile from Maharashtra. 1997 was Madhuri A. Singh. She represented Punjab and clocked 37 minutes 36.02 seconds. Number 290 Kavitha. She is from Haryana.
जीती रहो जीतती रहो
Women's 10,000 meter is in progress. Where Yassi Sachin, Prachi Pariyar and Sonia are the present leader on the board. So the battle is going between Yassi Sachin, Prachi Pariyar and Sonia.
हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे, वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चल दे, उठता है सर अपना जा जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी, सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना, अब जिम्मा है अपना, सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की
You are watching the live streaming of Athletics Federation of India's YouTube channel. We are live here from the War Hero Stadium at Sangrur. The first edition of Indian Open Athletics Meet was conducted here in the first week of April. This is the last edition of Indian Open Athletics Meet here at the Sangrur, and women's 10,000 meter is in progress, and it's 9 laps to go, and the timing for the clock is ticking at 25 minutes past 11 seconds for women's 10,000 meter, where the present leaders are Yassi Sachin of Uttar Pradesh, Prachi Padiyar from Madhya Pradesh, and Sonia from Uttarakhand. 10,000 meter. It's a real test of endurance. Method we use to improve endurance are the slow continuous method, SCR. There is a long distance running that built up your mileage, and you can run easily, smoothly in the long distances. So here the Yassi Sachin, Prachi Pariyar and Sonia still intact and testing each other. It's a matter that what's going in their mind and who will change the gear and who will decide to take the chart, set pace for women's 10,000 meter. But the present leader for women's 10,000 meter is a Yassi Sachin. Yassi Sachin is of age, and Sonia is 2000 born, and Prachi Pariyar is born in Madhya Pradesh, just 21 years of age. So it's a tremendous tussle is going between Yassi Sachin, Prachi Pariyar and Sonia. Just 7 laps to go for the 10,000 meter, the first event for the morning session.
ये दिल की मशालें जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम लिया। है वो कर जाना के सारा जमाना फिर देगा मिसाला यारों सबको अपने नाम दिया। ओ मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। ओ छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे।
You are watching the live streaming of women's 10,000 meter. Here the athlete has to cover total of 25 laps of 400 meter track. Number 804 Yassi Sachin of Uttar Pradesh is the leader for women's 10,000 meter, and still it's a 6 laps to go for women's 10,000 meter, the first event of the morning session. Number 753 and 753 is D Latha, is from Tamil Nadu, and number 290 Kavita of Haryana, trailing almost 150 meter behind the leaders. No one is ready to give up. It's a Yassi Sachin, Sonia and Prachi Pariyar, the women's 10,000 meter. The real test of endurance and stamina, and will depend on the last 1 or 2 lap. Last 1 or 2 laps, 24th lap, 25th lap will decide that who is going to win, who will set some quick and fast pace. It's a 5 laps to go. Number 902 Sonia from Uttarakhand is
अरे यार रिचार्ज करना भूल गया। नावी यूपीआई से रिचार्ज दो।
खाना आ गया और
पेमेंट
नावी यूपीआई से पेमेंट ऑलरेडी डन।
Chill guys,
We are the same team.
नावी यूपीआई टीम।
हर कोई यूज कर रहा है नावी यूपीआई। पेमेंट्स, रिचार्जेस, रिवॉर्ड्स सब एक जगह। क्लियरली द ऑब्वियस चॉइस।
Leap ahead with timely SIPs. Start investing now.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all the scheme-related documents carefully.
Is 31 minute 50.47 seconds that has been created in 2010 by Prija Sridharan. Just the race is entering into the final stage. Last 1600 meters to go for 10,000 meters. Still three in a fray for their excellence. Yassi Sachin, Sonia and Prachi Pariyar. No one is ready to give up. Still looking stronger. Number 902, Sonia, is calm and composed, just holding her now. But the leader on the board is 804 Yassi Sachin of Uttar Pradesh. 10,000 meter. A total of 25 laps for 400 meter track. This is the longest event in the track. Now Yassi Sachin had decided to give some tough challenge to their opponents, to Sonia and Prachi Pariyar. Now only two, 902 Sonia and Yassi. It is between Sonia and Yassi. Prachi Pariyar is trailing behind. They succeed to drop the rhythm of Prachi Pariyar, but still the Sonia and Yassi Sachin is intact, challenging each other. Number 683, Susila Prajapat. She's sandwiched between Yassi Sachin and Sonia. So Yassi Sachin, leader for women 10,000 meter. Number 902, Sonia of Uttarakhand, just following the footstep, just chasing the shadow of Yassi Sachin, and still looking relaxed, giving tough challenge to the Yassi Sachin, Sonia of Uttarakhand. But Sonia and Yassi managed to break the rhythm of Prachi Pariyar. Prachi Pariyar is just trailing 7 to 8 meters behind the leaders Yassi Sachin and Sonia. Women's 10,000 meter final stage. 3 laps to go. The time for the 10,000 meter in 22nd lap is 34 minutes 34 minutes 34 seconds for women 10,000 meters. Just last 2 laps, but it's still Yassi, Sonia and Prachi Pariyar is also trying to cover the gap. For 6-4, Prachi Pariyar has narrowed the gap, but number 804 Yassi Sachin of Uttar Pradesh is a leader for women's 10,000 meter, and the national record is of 31 minutes 50.47 seconds that has been created in 2010. In the name of Prija Sridharan. Here number 753 D Latha and 290 Kavita of of Haryana. Prachi Padiyar has also trying to be in touch with the leaders. It's Yassi Sachin and Sonia. The entire race, the major part, has been led by Yassi Sachin. She's representing Uttar Pradesh, and earlier she participated in World University Games. Officials are just getting ready for the bell lap. That denotes, yes, this is the last lap. Time for sprinting, time for finishing kick. And this is the last lap for Yassi Sachin, for Sonia, and for Prachi Padiyar. Yassi Sachin, Sonia just chasing the shadow at last 300-meter mark. And there is a change in the position. Sonia of Uttarakhand 902 is just leading by a margin of 2 meters ahead of Yassi Sachin at the 200-meter mark. Here number 753 and 204 D Latha and Kavita of Haryana, but just entering into the second band. Last 150 meters to go for the women's 10,000 meters, the first event of the morning session, where Yassi Sachin and Sonia, but the Sonia of Uttarakhand has decided not to give up and showing a fantastic finishing kick. A lovely movement, a poetry in emotion by the Sonia of Uttarakhand, followed by Yassi Sachin. What a sigh of relief. A fantastic run. The entire race is led by Yassi Sachin of Uttar Pradesh at these were the brave girls representing Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. It was 902, the Sonia of Uttarakhand. Number 683, Susila Prajapat of Rajasthan. So, the first event of the morning session, number 753, D Latha of Tamil Nadu. Here is the result for the women's 10,000 meter first event of the morning session. Sonia of Uttarakhand